Decision Plus has been and still is a leading stock market service provider. From training to coaching, we cover it all. Try both our software as well as our coaching site, completely free for 10 days without obligation. No credit card is needed to sign up for the trial. The trial subscription will be automatically canceled for you at the end. DecisionPlus.com, your stock market service center. Real-time coaching has been created. We search and classify critical reports and technical movements. You can visualize or hear the best buying and selling opportunities. Get real-time advice all day long and 3 live coaching shows per day. Let us do the work and save your time for trading. Try MarketGurus.tv free without obligation for 10 days in the menus above. Market Vision Plus is the trading companion of so many investors. Make your fundamental and technical analysis easy with Canada's #1 stock market decision-making software. Research, decide, and follow your positions with Market Vision Plus. See the menus just above this program and try Market Vision Plus for 10 days without any obligation after the show. When it comes to day trading, Trader Plus is the right tool. Track 50 quotes simultaneously. Create dozens of quick lists. Display as many as 30 real-time intraday charts at the same time. Watch the action with candlesticks or bar charts as fast as 10 seconds. See the market by sectors. Use the chart models already prepared for you. Try Trader Plus for 10 days in the menu above without any obligation.
Pourquoi ça a changé ça? Vas-y, Marc.
1, 2, 1, 2.
Voilà.
Okay, now, okay. So, hi everybody, welcome to the Swing Trading Show, September 4th, 2019. We just made a new high on the NASDAQ and the other markets there. Where's my pen? I lost it anyway. So get my mouse. Okay, back. Okay, as I said, we just had a new high here on the NASDAQ market, not on the Dow, not the SPY, and it's the largest stock. It's Facebook and Amazon and Google that made a little jump, a new high for the day. So that's it. It's not really, there's not much stuff anyway. So look at what's happening this morning. The gas keeps going up towards its resistance within its daily chart. USO went nice too. The USO went up within a few cycles. Just the last little one happened 10 minutes ago. And but the stock are not really following. Since this morning, the USO kept doing a new high, while the oil stock refused to continue. We have a couple of nice movement. I will show you that in a minute or so. So the gold was up this morning. It's not even at its high of the day, but the gold stock keeps going down since. The financials are coming back down too, and the mining are coming back down. So there isn't much very strong sector on the TSX besides the energy sector, because look, the mining are coming back, the gold are negative, the industrials came back, the financials came back, the staples came back, technology came back. So most of the sector came back, and the cannabis also went back down this morning, almost to the lowest of the year for HMMG. So the sector is still not trustable there. So so let's go with the energy sector. There was a couple of news, but nothing major, nothing important. There was only one news on Aurora this morning, and let's see the Aurora movement. The stock went up on the news this morning because they have sold their last participation in the Green Organic Dutchman holding, 29 million share at $3, so for a total of $86.5 million in cash. So but the stock went up on the news and then came right back down. So, and it's the story almost everywhere. So you can see now HMMG that went back almost to the lowest of the year this morning. And if you look at the movement there on the sector, it's not looking good. I mean, the yesterday's rebound did not continue, and now for the moment it's coming back down to this very important support, which is a very long-term support as well. So unless HMMG would break this little formation, and even there it wouldn't be a bullish cycle, it would be a rebound, but there could be a possibility from $15 to $17, but this is very, very, very short term. So look at the energy sector. USO is coming back towards the fourth time. It's going to be testing for the fourth time its resistance. The gas still going up, but there's not much potential left. 21.25 should be the sector, the UNG should stop, and then after that, after the next pause, when it reached 21.60, that should be the new bullish cycle right there. And as I told you, the gold stays right on the top. The gold stock are under a little correction. Some are stronger than others, like El Dorado, which had news on it. So because they have kind of they have got some license and they also had cleared, it seems like they had cleared problems with the government. It was regarding the license in Greece. And so it's one of the nicest movement this morning, as the stock took off a few minutes ago at 12.74. And but besides that, pretty well most of the stock, all stock under the resistance. Some are under correction, and so we gotta wait until we make we break this sideways formation. The mining took off this morning, but most of the stock, just came back, did not continue the movement, so we cannot consider the sector within a bullish cycle yet. The silver is still strong too, but for some reason, Endeavour was one that went up yesterday. It's not continuing today, but most of the stocks are coming down. They are not passing this resistance. That's what we're waiting for. Okay, so you really need to see the silver stock passing their short-term resistance before embarking. So consumer discretionary is doing nothing, telecom nothing, financials nothing, industrials nothing either. So there's no positive sector unless utilities, the only bullish sector at the moment. And Staples did a couple of signal this morning, but it did not last. It's look, George Weston broke out and Loblaw also, but for precaution, I think you should wait 110.50 on Weston, and Metro also. We need a new high like 57.40, and Loblaw still also a new high at 74.30. So that would be the only place where now it could be trustable. The energy sector still remains very sideways, and as I said, for the cannabis, it's still a very risky sector unless HMMG would pass the $15 there. So, and we have a little rebound right now, but I don't think it's worthwhile to profit of it unless it's some day trading that you want to do. And we had a couple of stocks that went well in day trading this morning. ERF is one of them too. It's still a stock in the energy sector that is also passing now its resistance, one of the strongest stock, but I think we still miss a little bit of strength in the sector right now to embark, but we're getting very, very, very close to it. If you want to embark, and there are two stocks that are better than other, ERF and CPG, which is Crescent Point Energy. So let's do a little pause.
Find answers to your questions by emailing your host at btm@decisionplus.com.
5 good reasons to manage your investments with National Bank Direct Brokerage. Commission fees fixed at $9.95 anytime for all clients and starting at only $6.95 for active investors. No administrative fees if you hold at least $20,000 in your accounts. Registered accounts available in U.S. currency. Powerful tools to help you manage your portfolio. Award-winning customer service and satisfaction levels amongst the highest in the industry. To learn more, visit nbdb.ca or call us now.
Welcome back. Okay, look, during the last upward move from USO, the stock did react a little bit, but they soon seems to be reversing again. So that's why I say, it's still, I don't think, quite trustable within the energy sector. So for myself, I think we really need an extra push there on the sector. Besides that, there's not much to say. We're just waiting for that market to bring us something worthwhile. Look, these are not this one. Where are they? Oh, right here. Okay, so we have here the U.S. sector. Look, there's not interesting. The biotech are not interesting. The industrials are flat. Financials are flat. Consumer staples are flat. So it's a little bit of everything that on all of the sector, which has been readjusted in the upside this morning because they said that the diminution of the political risk throughout the world, and also the announcement of Hong Kong, which is ready to abandon its extradition law, I would say, that makes the market jumping this morning, and that's all. There's nothing else. So another news can come out and we can reverse it totally. So look at the situation we are right now, going towards the resistance for the fourth time. And same thing on the Dow, same thing on the SPY, and the TS6 rose higher than the others this morning, but it's coming back at the moment, and it's totally overbought everywhere on every stochastic. So I mean, in this situation, we may it's really possible that we come back once more to this support sooner or later. So I think we just got to stay put right now and be careful in anything we buy, just in case of a correction. So this is it for the day, folks, for now anyway. And thank you very much for attending. We'll see you next time.